Time for our first hike. You ready to get out there?
Let's do it.
We've been stuck inside in the rain. Let's go explore.
So we hiked that mountain nearby for like hour and a half.
Let's go, Tankatsuru.
It was great. We saw lots of natures and one human being. He looked surprised seeing another human being.
Another boar trap up here. Kind of creepy. There's a bunch of these wheat fields, and if you look around them, electric fence. And electric fence to keep away the wild boar, like the guy was catching in his cage. Gotta watch out.
We saw Ojizo-san. We said thank you to Ojizo-san to letting us explore the mountain. We found a maple tree, so we will be back in fall so that we can see the autumn color.
It's pretty cool. We just found this bamboo forest and someone cut this area. It's like a little house inside the bamboo where they cut it off. Got a little pile of bamboo here. Good Tankatsuru?
Good Tankatsuru.
All right, it's time. First camping trip. We're going to Kameikagokoen Park.
Kameikagoen Beach.
That. Car's packed with all of our gear.
Let's go. Let's do it.
Ikimashou.
Hi.
So check it out. It's pretty different than American camping. It's like a big grass field. It is by the ocean, which is pretty cool. And there's just people kind of camping out along this big grass field. So everyone brings their own shade tent. Everyone's got these pretty awesome shade tents. So let's go say hi to Ayako. Konnichiwa, Ayako-san. What you doing?
I'm making a sweet dessert. We cut Japanese sweet potato and we put butter on it and wrap it with aluminum foil and cook with that fire.
They don't have fire pits here, so you have to bring your own fire pit. Got this kind of like fireproof bottom part. All right, so I'm trying camping focaccia. Let's see if this works. So right now I'm just cooking a little bit of onions, garlic. Here's my dough. This is the kind of like half-assed focaccia going on here.
What are you making?
Pancake. I was gonna say pancakes, but it's just one. Maybe we'll make another afterwards.
How are the pancakes?
It's great. Next time we will try to make banana walnut pancake.
All right, let's go on a little hike. There's a lookout point, observatory right above here. It should be pretty easy. You ready for some stairs? Let's do it. All right, lookout point. Let's check it out. Very nice view up here. Ayako went down because she's too hatsui, which means hot. That was the end of our camping adventure. It was awesome. We started packing and left the house, drove 15 minutes here, stayed overnight, hung out in the morning, made some pancakes, and we'll be home all within 24 hours. It's pretty cool. In LA, you have to drive like 90 minutes minimum to get somewhere, usually more like 3 hours. But that's it, camping trip over. You know, it's a great way to relax after a camping trip.